Down the side of the track they come. They'll have 3 laps to run at the winning post. All set to go. Ready to go on the Derby. Will soon be off. Racing. Tabaldi on the extreme outside and Blacktop were fastest away. Prince Jade going along the inside from Tarport Bow and then follows Hubert Campbell. Well back in the field, Philia Flex, Local Honoured caught 3 wide from Victory Sarnell and King Milo. Into the back the first time, Blacktop and Tabaldi going for the lead. 2 lengths away, Prince Jade. Then Tarport Bow followed by Hubert Campbell on the inside of Philia Flex. Then Victory Sarnell, Local Honoured. And the last one is King Milo. Down the back, plenty of pace on early. And Blacktop led Tabaldi the outside, who's at the leader all the way. 2 lengths to Prince Jade, Tarport Bow, then Hubert Campbell, Victory Sarnell on the rail from Philia Flex, Local Honoured, and the last one is King Milo. Down the side of the track now, and they've got about 1,800 to go in the Derby, and Blacktop is the leader. A length in front of Tabaldi, left without cover. Third on the rail is Prince Jade, followed by Tarport Bow. There's Castles off on the favourite, Local Honoured, and he's streaking around the outside now. Local Honoured racing up towards the leaders, and down the home running with 2 laps to go. Blacktop is taken on for the lead by Local Honoured out wide. Tabaldi is next in the centre. A length behind them, Prince Jade on the rail, and then Tarport Bow, a length to Victory Sarnell, Hubert Campbell. King Milo over on the rail, and now Philia Flex drops to the rear. Out of the straight, going to the lap and 3/4 mark, and Local Honoured had shot around them to take the lead now. He leads out by 2 lengths to Blacktop on the outside without cover to Baldy. A length to Prince Jade over on the inside, followed then by the outside of it, Tarport Bow. A length away on the fence, Victory Sarnell from Hubert Campbell, King Milo, and Philia Flex is last of all. A lap and a half to go at the 1200. And Local Honoured is the leader by a length to Blacktop. Prince Jade on the rail is third. On the outside, Tabaldi without cover, doing it hard from Victory Sarnell, locked away. At the outside of it is Tarport Bow, a length to King Milo, Hubert Campbell, and the last one, Philia Flex. Around the corner they come to get the bell now, and the leader is Local Honoured, getting away from his rivals. Into the straight, about 3 on Blacktop, a length to Prince Jade. Tabaldi the outside. Further back, Victory Sarnell, followed then by Tarport Bow. A length and a half to King Milo from Hubert Campbell, who's back second last, and Philia Flex the trailer. 1 round to go in the Derby as they turn out of the straight, and it's the favourite Local Honoured going great guns. He's drawn away from his rivals. 4 in front now from Blacktop. Prince Jade getting off the fence and running into it. Hubert Campbell around the outside. And then Victory Sarnell, and further back in the race is Tarport Bow, but Local Honoured's gone further in front down the back. Prince Jade's gone into second placing. Hubert Campbell and Victory Sarnell are next. And then Blacktop further back, King Milo, and then Tarport Bow from Philia Flex. Past the 400 though. And Local Honoured is 2 lengths on Prince Jade giving chase. Victory Sarnell goes to third. Hubert Campbell under the whip, and then King Milo on the fence from Tarport Bow. Local Honoured leads to the corner. Prince Jade a length away. 2 lengths to Victory Sarnell, and then King Milo, and behind them Hubert Campbell. Around the corner, Local Honoured straightens a length and a half. Prince Jade. 3 lengths to Victory Sarnell. Local Honoured the leader under the whip. Prince Jade trying hard to get to him, but Local Honoured is hanging on too well for Prince Jade, and Local Honoured will win the Derby. He's a great colt, and Local Honoured gets the money from Prince Jade. 3 lengths away, third on the race, Victory Sarnell, followed by King Milo, and then Philia Flex. Further back in the field was Tarport Bow. Hubert Campbell dropped out of it, and a distant last in the field, Tabaldi and Blacktop tailed off. Here's this great colt coming back, ladies and gentlemen, Local Honoured. Tremendous performance again to win the New South Wales Pacers Derby final, giving Jim Castles one of his biggest wins here at headquarters. With Local Honoured scoring by 6 metres, 10 metres separating second and third. The time, a new race record, 2:59.5. The mile rating is 2:3. New race record to Local Honoured by Time On It from Local Crown, and by Mesdames M. Strati and C. Bartolo, a 3-year-old bay colt trained and driven by C.J. Castles. Officially fourth was number 9, King Milo. Officially fifth in the race to Philia Flex, number 8, driven by El Moles. The last mile of the race covered in 2:6.3, the middle half in 1:4.2, and the last half covered in 1:2 1/10.